There's a friend in Fimble Valley that we're on our way to see, to hear him tell his stories, maybe stay for tea. He's a mole who's living underground and his name is Rolly Moe. Roly, 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 roly Moe. He's the rolliest Moe you'll ever know, and his name is Rolly Moe.
Hello to you. How do you do? Phew! I'm out of puff. I walked really fast today. Let's go and find Uncle Rolly. Ready? Then off we go. Whee!
Oh, hello there. And how are you today? I've just had a new book delivery. Look at this one. This looks interesting.
Hello, Uncle Rolly.
Oh, hello there, little Bo. I was just showing our friends my new books.
Oh, can we read one of them?
Of course we can, little Bo. Which one would you like to read?
Inky Dinky Poppity Po, Oolaga Boola, yes or no? That one, please, Uncle Rolly.
This one it is. Molly was very excited. She was going to a party. But when Mum started the car, it made a funny spluttery noise and wouldn't move. "Bother," said Mum. "The car's broken down." Molly was worried. "Does that mean we can't go to the party?" "No," said Mum, smiling. "It just means we'll have to walk. But that's okay. It's not far." "All right, then," said Molly. "Don't forget your present," said Mum. And they set off. Mum walked and Molly skipped as fast as she could. "Hi, Molly," came a voice. It was Mirinda. She was on her way to the party too. She waved and Molly waved back. "Hurry up, Mum," said Molly. "We're going to be late." Then Granny went by on her way to the party. She waved, and Molly waved back. "Hurry up, Mum," said Molly. "We're going to be really late." Then Molly's friend Kwame went by in his dad's taxi. He waved, and Molly waved back. "Cars and bikes and buses are much quicker than us," said Molly. "We're going to be the last ones there." "I don't think so," said Mum. "Look." All the traffic had stopped moving. Then Molly saw why. Everything was stuck behind a great big tractor. Molly skipped past Kwame in the taxi, Granny on her bus, and then Mirinda on her dad's bike. Molly and her mum were the first ones to get to the party, and Molly had 3 plates of jelly before anyone else arrived. Lovely.
Thank you, Uncle Rolly. Do you need that box?
No, I don't.
Then can I borrow it?
Of course you can, little Bo.
I'm going to think of something to make this into. This will make a great, it'll make a great car, just like in the story.
Ooh, I hope it doesn't break down.
So do I. See you later, Uncle Rolly. Beep, beep.
You go!
Me go!
We go! Amigo! Let's go!
Beep, beep.
What have you got there, little Bo?
It's a car.
A car? It looks like a box to me.
Well, it is really, but I'm pretending it's my car. Do you want to come for a ride in my car?
Oh, yes! Where are we going to? To tea, of course. Wait for me!
Off we go!
Hippity-hoppity-hoo! How'd ya diddly-do? I am the car-riding frog.
Rocket, it's you.
Yes, it's me. Can I come for a ride? Can I?
Of course you can.
Ha!
Off we go.
Hang on, wait for me.
The wheels on my car go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on my car go round and round all day long.
The horn on my car goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on my car goes beep, 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 all day long. The windows on my car go up and down, up and down, up and down. The windows on my car go up and down, all day long.
Oh no, it's raining!
Quick, put the wipers on.
The wipers on my car go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on my car go swish, 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 all day long. Everyone in the car goes jiggle, 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 jiggle. Everyone in the car goes jiggle, 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 all day long.
The engine in the car goes brum, 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 brum. The engine in the car goes brum, 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 all day long. Brum, brum. Brum, 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 brum. Oh, smelly jelly.
What's happened?
We've stopped.
Oh no!
What are we going to do now?
I know. Let's go and look in my busy book. That might be able to help. Busy book, let's take a look. Someone is hiding. Who can it be? Is it a Fimble? Who can you see? It's Fimbo! What are we going to do today, Fimbo? Look, an aeroplane. Aeroplanes go really fast.
Tippity-toppity, this is a fast and slow game.
Look, there's a snail.
Are snails fast or slow?
The snail isn't going very fast. The snail is slow. That's a car. Vroom, vroom.
Cars go...
Fast.
That's right. Cars go fast.
Look, a speedboat.
Is the speedboat fast or slow?
The speedboat is very fast.
That's right. The speedboat is fast.
Look, a little baby.
Is the baby going fast or slow?
The baby's going slow.
We've got fast things.
And we've got slow things.
Have we got more fast things or more slow things?
Let's see. We've got 1, 2, 3, 3 fast things. And 1, 2, 2 slow things. There are more fast things than slow things. Thank you, Fimble. See you again soon.
Oh, well, now we know about going fast and slow.
But we don't know what to do when we've stopped.
Oh, trouble with your car?
It won't start.
Let me have a look at it.
Oh, what a good idea, Rocket. And would you three like a story while you're waiting?
Yes, please, Rolly.
Come on, then. Come and find one with me in the library.
But how are we going to get there? The car's broken down.
We'll have to walk, Hugo. Come on.
I am the car-mending frog. Now, let's have a look here.
When you take a look inside a book,
Who knows what you will see?
When you take a look inside a book,
It's fun as fun could be.
with cats and dogs and birds and frogs,
A monkey who says boo, boo!
wonderful things, giants and kings.
And maybe a thimble or two.
Now, what have we here?
When you take a look inside a book,
Who knows what you might see?
a story or rhyme. Just take the time
to read along with me. Books over here, books over there. Find me a book with a story to share. I'd like a story for a bit of car trouble, if you please. Ah, lovely.
Ooh, don't like the look of that.
Ah, how are you doing, Rocket?
Well, there's a problem with the engine. There isn't one.
Can you do anything, Rocket?
Well, it's going to need a lot of work.
Oh, dear. Collie the sheepdog was very excited. Farmer Straw was taking him and all the sheep to the seaside, and they were going by train. Collie had a very loud bark.
Will you be quiet?
Bleated the sheep.
You don't need to bark at us now. We're not in the field. Sorry,
said Collie. Then he saw the train coming into the station, and he started all over again. The train came to a stop, and the sheep and Collie scrambled into the train. Barked Collie as he saw the engine driver coming over to have a word with Farmer Straw.
I'm very sorry, said the driver, scratching his head, but I don't think we can go to the sea today. There's something wrong with the train whistle.
not go to the sea,
said the sheep.
but we've been looking forward to it.
I'm sorry, said the engine driver, but I can't drive a train without a whistle. No one will know I'm coming.
Woof, woof, agreed Collie. The engine driver nearly fell over.
My, that dog has a loud bark, he said.
I know, said Farmer Straw. Why don't you let Collie be your whistle? Or you can tell him when to bark. So that's what they did. Collie sat with the driver and barked loudly when they came to a station, or a level crossing, or when they passed the driver's auntie. And when they got to the seaside, the driver had a good look in the whistle and found a bird's nest. The bird was a bit annoyed when she had to move. But Collie and the sheep had a wonderful day on the beach. Lovely.
The train whistle wasn't working.
So the dog barked. Woof, 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 woof.
Is our car working yet, Rocket?
Nearly.
Oh, I hope we're not going to have to walk to T2.
Hooray! You got it working, Rocket.
Yes, the only problem is... Where are the brakes?
Oh, Rocket!
Well, we have had a stop-start day today.
Yes! It's been a rolling, rolling day!
You will come and join us next time in Fimble Valley, won't you? Now it's time for us all to go. Cheerio!
Toot toot! I can't stop! I am the car driving frog! Toot toot! Hooray!